Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to do the anonymous link on Instagram. Now, for you to do the anonymous link on Instagram, you'll have to have a device connected to the internet and you'll have to have two applications installed on your device. Now, the first application is obviously Instagram and the other application is NGL. Now, to do that, firstly open up the Play Store on your app and search for NGL and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, this application will appear on your screen. Now, if you don't have it installed, just simply install it. As you can see, I already have this application installed in my device, so I can just open it. So once it's installed into your device, just open it up. After you opened up the NGL application, go ahead and click on this Get Started option. After you click on this Get Started option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, choose your birthday and then click on this Continue button. Once you click on this Continue button, you'll have to choose where you want to use this NGL link. So in this case, it's Instagram, so just click on the Instagram option. Once you click on this Instagram option, you'll have to choose a username for your NGL account. So just type in a username you want and then click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, you'll have to customize your profile some more, like putting in photos and other details. If you want to skip it, just click on this skip option in the top right corner of your screen. Now let it load, and as you can see, the NGL application is installed and your profile is set up. Now for you to use this link on your story or on your post, simply click on this share option or this copy link option. If you copy this link, the link will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it on your story, or you can just click on this share option. Once you click on this share option, you can just click on this next step option and see how you can do it, and then click on this share on Instagram option. Now Instagram will automatically open up on your screen and the send your anonymous message option or the story will be created. Now you'll have to paste your link here like this and then click on OK, and your link will be pasted and then you can post this on your story. Now as you can see, the anonymous link has been posted on your story and your friends or family who see your story can leave you anonymous messages. I hope this video helped you to share anonymous link on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.